if A is equal to cos theta minus sin theta cos theta, then matrix A raised to minus 50 when theta is equal to pi by 12 is. So 4 options are there. First you find here A inverse here. So determinant of A is equal to, determinant of A is cos into cos becomes cos square theta here. Then plus sin into sin becomes sin square, minus into minus plus here, plus sin square theta, and cos square plus sin square is 1 here. Okay, determinant of A is equal to 1. Then adjoint of A here, it is a matrix of order 2 into 2 here. Then direct you can write adjoint of the matrix, interchange the diagonal elements here. So cos theta, and here write cos of theta, and change the sign of non-diagonal elements. Minus sign is there, write here plus sign, and here plus sign here, so write here minus of sign here. So this is a adjoint of the matrix here. Okay, therefore A inverse is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Here determinant of A value is 1 here, so this is 1 upon 1 is again 1 itself. Okay, then direct write adjoint of the matrix here. Hence cos theta, then sin theta, minus of sin theta, and cos of theta. This is A inverse here. Then you find here A raised to minus 2 here. Here A raised to minus 2 means A raised to minus 1 into A raised to minus 1 here. Therefore this is equal to cos theta, then sin of theta, minus sin theta, and cos theta into, write the same matrix here, cos theta, then sin theta, minus sin theta, and cos of theta. Okay, here multiply these two matrices here. You know how to multiply the matrices. Multiply with the columns here. Then multiply it and simplify, means use the formula. You will get a cos of 2 theta here. Cos 2 theta, then sin of 2 theta, minus sin 2 theta, and cos 2 theta. But multiply the terms here. Then after multiplication, use the formula, trigonometry formula. We get cos 2 theta, sin 2 theta, minus sin 2 theta, and cos 2 theta. It is A raised to minus 2. Similarly, A raised to minus 3. Similarly, A raised to minus 3 gives cos of 3 theta, cos 3 theta, sin of 3 theta, then minus sin 3 theta, and cos of 3 theta. Therefore, in general, you can write here A raised to minus 50, it gives cos of 50 theta, cos of 50 theta, then sin of 50 theta, then minus of sin of 50 theta, and cos of 50 theta. In general, you can continue like this and we get this result here. Therefore, theta is what here? Theta is the pi by 12 here. So use here. So 50 theta gives 50 pi divided by 12 here. Theta value is a pi by 12. Then 2 6s are 12 here. 2 25s are. So 25 pi by 6 here. 25 pi divided by 6. And 25 pi by 6 means it is a 4 pi plus pi by 6 here. 4 pi plus pi by 6. 4 pi plus means here it is a complete one rotation is a 2 pi. To take one more rotation is a 4 pi. 4 pi plus means it comes under first quadrant here. Okay, 4 pi plus pi by 6 comes under first quadrant. In first quadrant, all the trigonometric functions are positive. Then cos of 50 theta is cos of 4 pi plus pi by 6. Cos of 4 pi plus pi by 6 gives cos of pi by 6, because it comes under first quadrant, cos positive. Cos of pi by 6 means cos 30 degree, that is root 3 divided by 12. Okay. Similarly, sin of 50 theta. So sin of 50 theta means 4 pi plus pi by 6 here. Again, first quadrant sign is positive. Sin of pi by 6, sin pi by 6 value is 1 upon 2 here. Yes, this equal to cos 50 theta is root 3 by 12. Sin 50 theta is 1 upon 2 minus of 1 upon 2 here, and root 3 divided by 2. Then obviously the third one is correct option here. So here this is given matrix here. Then A is equal to 4 options are there. Invertible only when t is equal to 5. Invertible for every t belongs to not invertible for any t belongs to invertible only when t is equal to pi by 12. You know that matrix has an inverse if determinant of A is not equal to 0. This is an important condition here. If it is a non-singular means determinant A not equal to 0, then only it has an inverse. Then we say that it is invertible. Okay, therefore you just check whether it is not equal to 0. Determinant of A not equal to 0 or equal to 0. In this case, determinant of A is equal to, from this determinant here, I have to take a determinant here. Actually, this is a matrix. I have to take a determinant. Then, if it is a determinant, then I take a common factor here from this column. E raised to t common factor in. From second column here, e raised to minus t common factor. From third column, e raised to minus t common factor here. Okay, here you have to take a determinant. Actually, it is a matrix here. Okay, take a determinant, then you can take a common factor e raised to t from third column, e raised to minus t from second column, e raised to minus t from third column here. Therefore, determinant of, here remaining elements are 1 here, 1 and 1. Here e raised to minus t common factor, hence a cos of t minus cos t minus of sin t here. Then 2 into sin t, 2 sin t. Even here also e raised to minus t common factor, hence it is a sin of t here, minus of sin t plus cos of t here, minus of 2 into cos of t here, 2 into cos t. Then here this into this here, t minus t becomes a 0. E raised to 0 is a 1. Remaining only this one here. So it is a e raised to minus t. This becomes 1 here. It's a product is e raised to 0. E raised to 0 is always 1. 1 into e raised to minus t is e raised to minus t here. Next, write this first row as it is here. 1 cos of t and sin t here. Then R2 minus R1, make these two terms 0 here. 1 minus 1 becomes a 0. So this becomes a 0. This minus this is a minus cos t minus cos t. Minus 2 into cos t minus of sin t. Then this minus of this here, minus 2 sin t plus cos of t. Similarly, this row minus this one here, 1 minus 1 becomes 0 here. Then this minus this here, 2 sin t. 2 sin t minus cos t here, minus of cos t. Then this minus of this here, minus 2 into cos of t minus of sin t, minus of sin t. Therefore, R2 gives here R2 minus R1. and R3 gives R3 minus of R1 here. R3 minus R1. Then you expand this determinant here. E raised to minus t keep as there. E raised to minus of t into bracket. 1 into this here. Here minus 2 cos t sin t. Minus 2 cos t into minus sin here. You can take a minus common factor here. Minus into minus become plus. Hence 2 into cos t plus sin t. It's a square here. But you have to take minus common here as well as here. Minus into minus become plus 2 cos t plus sin t into 2 cos t plus sin t becomes 2 cos t plus sin t whole square. Minus here. Then the product of this here take a minus common factor here. From this term, minus is the common here. Then 2 sin t minus cos t, 2 sin t minus cos t. 2 sin t minus cos t whole square and minus take outside here. Minus into minus become plus here. Hence 2 sin t minus of cos t is a square here. Okay, but you have to take minus common here. Then that minus here is one more minus become plus 2 sin t minus cos t, 2 sin t minus cos t, it becomes 2 sin t minus cos t whole square. Then take the second term here, cos t into 0 into this is 0, 0 into this is 0, hence the second term becomes 0. Similarly, sin t into 0 into this is 0, this into 0 becomes 0, again it is a 0 only. The next two term becomes a 0. Only simplify this term now. Therefore, this is equal to e raised to minus t into expand it here. So, a plus b whole square formula 4 into cos square t plus sin square t plus 2 into 2 becomes a 4. 4 into sin t into cos of t here. Then a plus here. Then expand this term here. So 4 into sin square t plus cos square t minus of 4 into sin t into cos of t. Then 4 sin t cos t, this is a minus 4 sin t cos t get cancels here. Therefore this is equal to e raised to minus t into bracket. From this side to this one, okay, 4 cos square t plus cos square t becomes a 5 cos square t here. So write here 5 into cos square t. Sin square t plus 4 sin square t gives a 5 sin square t here. 5 into sin square t here. Then the 5 is a common factor. Keep outside here. 5 into e raised to minus t into sin square t plus cos square t. Sin square plus cos square is 1 here. 1 into this term is 5 into e raised to minus t. Then determinant of a is 5 into e raised to minus t. So this is not equal to 0 for all or for every t belongs to R. For every t belongs to R, this cannot be 0. This cannot be 0. Hence, determinant of A is not equal to 0 means it is invertible here. Hence, invertible for every t belongs to R. So, second option is correct. Let D belongs to R and A is a given matrix here and theta belongs to 0, pi, close interval 0 to pi. If the minimum value of determinant of A is 8, they are already given here. Then value of D is what here? Value of D is equal to, okay. Then here in this case find the determinant of A. Determinant of A gives okay. Here take here R3 gives here R3 minus 2R2 plus R1 here. R3 minus 2R2 plus R1. Therefore, only third row changes here. First two rows keep as it is here. First two rows keep as it is, and this is a determinant. This is a matrix and this is a determinant. Remember it here. So minus of 2 here, 4 plus d and sin theta minus of 2. Then write here 1 sin theta plus 2 here and write here d. The third one is given by r3 minus 2 r2 plus r, means multiply second row by 2 here and adding a third and a fourth row and subtract here. So very simple here. So write this 5. Okay, r3 means 5 minus of 2 into r2 means this 1 here. Then plus this minus 2 here. Okay. Then here minus 2 becomes minus 4. 5 minus 4 gives 1 here. So write here 1. Write here 1. Similarly, 2 sin theta minus d here. 2 into sin theta minus of d minus. Then 2 into minus of 2 into sin theta plus 2 here. Sin theta plus 2. Then this plus 4 plus d here. Then write here 4 plus d. Okay, now simplify here. 2 sin theta minus of d here. Take a minus 2 inside here. Minus 2 sin theta minus 2 into 2 becomes a minus of 4 plus 4 plus d. Then minus d and plus d get cancels here. Minus 4 and plus 4 cancel. 2 sin theta minus 2 sin theta cancels. So therefore this is 0. So therefore this becomes 0. Next minus sin theta plus 2 plus 2 here. Minus of sin theta plus 2 plus 2d minus 2 into r2 term is d here. This d. Then plus, right here plus, r1 is this here, sin theta minus 2. So sin theta minus of here. Minus sin theta plus sin theta cancels here. Plus 2 and minus 2 cancels. 2d minus 2d cancels. So this equal to 0. So this becomes 0. This equal to 0. Okay. Then expound this determinant here. Therefore this equal to minus of 2 into bracket. Sin theta plus 2 into 0 becomes 0 minus 0 into d becomes 0. Then minus of 4 plus d. 4 plus d into bracket. 1 into 0 becomes 0 minus of d into 1 becomes d. Then plus sin theta minus 2 here. Sin theta minus of 2. Okay. Then 1 into 0 becomes 0 minus of 1 into sin theta plus 2 gives sin theta plus 2. Bracket complete. Therefore minus 2 into this 0 becomes 0. Complete this becomes 0. Minus into minus becomes plus. So write a plus. 4 into d becomes 4d. Then d into d becomes d square plus d square. Then plus here. Sin theta minus 2 into minus of sin theta plus 2. Plus into minus becomes a minus here. So this becomes a minus. Sin theta minus 2 into sin theta plus 2 becomes sin square theta minus of 2 square. Therefore this is equal to d square. This is d square plus 4d. Take a minus inside. Minus into minus plus 2 square is 4 minus of sin square theta. Then d square plus 4d plus 4 becomes d plus 4 whole square. D plus 4 whole square minus of sin square theta. Minus sin square theta. Here determinant of A is a minimum here because they are given here. It is a minimum when sin theta is a maximum here. Determinant of A is a minimum when sin theta is the maximum value. When the sin theta is a maximum, that is a sin theta takes value is 1 year, because maximum value is 1 only. So this becomes 1 year. They are already given a minimum value determinant of A is 8 years. Okay. So determinant of A is equal to 8 years. They are already given here. Determinant of A means this here. D plus 4 whole square. D plus 4 whole square minus of 1 year. Minus 1 is equal to 8 years. Because they are already given here. Here minimum value of the determinant of A is 8 years. Therefore, determinant of A is this one here. Then this is a minimum, when this is a maximum here. So maximum value of sin theta is 1 year. Hence D plus 4 whole square minus of 1 is equal to 8 years. Take minus 1 right hand side here. D plus 4 whole square is equal to 9. Then D plus 4 is equal to plus or minus 3 here. Hence D plus 4 is equal to 3, or D plus 4 is equal to minus 3 here. Therefore take 4 right hand side here. 4 plus 3 becomes 7, and here take 4 right hand side here. D is equal to and here 3 minus 4 is a minus of 1, and minus 3 minus 4 is a minus of 7. Therefore, obviously, minus 7 is the answer here. So I made a mistake here. Actually, d square plus 4d plus 4 is a d plus 2 whole square here, not d plus 4, d plus 2 whole square. Yes, this becomes a d plus 2 whole square. Then take here d plus 2 whole square, take minus on right hand side, it becomes plus 9 here. Therefore, d plus 2 is equal to plus or minus 3 here. Hence d plus 2 is equal to 3, and d plus 2 is equal to minus 3 here. Take 2 right hand side here. 3 minus 2 gives 1, and take 2 right hand side, it's a minus of 5. Hence it is not a minus 7 here. So minus 5 is the answer here. Minus 5 is the correct option.